Thanksgiving's coming. We're deep frying a turkey and bake it up. Got David, one of the founders of Bacon Up, joining me today to help me fry this baby up. For all of you that have been commenting on my posts how you save your own bacon grease, good luck frying a turkey. Number one thing you gotta be concerned about when you're frying a turkey is safety.
DP, every home should have a fire extinguisher. For this cook, we're breaking out the big boy.
And stay tuned to the end. I have a feeling there might be a giveaway. Frying a 13-pound bird, got it from Mino.
What's going on, guys? Howard Kaufman, Hoka Turkeys. Still got these going for Thanksgiving, so get on MinoPrime.com and check it out.
We're going to start with our injectable marinade with a 3/4 cup of Bacon Up and add these things along with it.
We're gonna inject this all throughout this turkey. Coat the whole thing with some Tony and chicharrones. We're dropping her in, 3 minutes a pound. While this is cooking, I gotta cut down on my red wine. The holidays are coming. I got turned on to this poppy. Prebiotic, great for gut health. Guys. And it gives you a nice energy boost. Oh, it's great with vodka too. We be done. Are you kidding me? Cubby approved. You kidding me? Courtesy of my friends at Bacon Up, we got a giveaway. The entire turkey roaster setup, 3 tubs of Bacon Up, and a case of Poppy, all coming your way. Winner picked on Sunday. Be sure to come back to this post to see if you won.